Do you want to know how you can turn on or off NSFW on your Talkie AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can turn on NSFW or turn it off on Talkie AI. Go ahead and open Talkie on your phone, and let's suppose you are talking to this person or this AI. Now what you need to do is go to the message option and type these exact words. So you can write this, turn on sensors, and you can see that it has been turned off. Now to turn it on again, go ahead and copy it, paste it over here, and you can write down turn off, and you can see that it has been turned off. And you can do this to other chats as well. So guys, this is how you turn on or off the NSFW on your Talkie app. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.